in today's class, we'll be discussing tautology and fallacy. The tautology and fallacy was been asked for 2 marks in 2020. So this is basically an expression. As you already know, an expression is a combination of operator and operands. So in the Boolean algebra, an expression is valid combination of binary variables. So tautology, if the output of the Boolean expression, whatever the expression we have taken, is always true or 1. Please keep in your mind, it should be always true or 1. That means the output should be always true or 1. Such an expression is called as tautology expression. So if the resultant is always giving you 1 as its output or true as its output, then we'll be considering such an expression as tautology expression. Now the fallacy expression is reverse to the tautology expression. That is, if the output of the Boolean expression is always false or 0, such an expression is considered to be as fallacy. Now let us take the example, as we have already learnt truth tables in the previous class. Now we will take an expression and we will see whether the expression whatever is given is holding true for the tautology or fallacy or not. Now the possible combinations that we will take is only one variable. We will take it as in the expression P, and whether the output can be added or multiplied by its complemented variable, that you can see a dash over here. So P plus P bar or P into P bar can be the output resultant. So let us consider the input is only P. So then we will have possible combinations for the P is always 2 to the power 1, that is 2 combination. That is, we will be having 1 and 0 as its combination. So we have written the possible combination over here is 0 and 1. So first we will begin with the 0, then we will move to the 1. So 1 and 0 are the possible combination that P can take. Now as we have written P bar or P complemented value, so 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So only we are having one variable. So we have taken 2 to the power 1, that is 2 combinations 0 and 1. So P complement is reverse of this value, that is 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. Now we will see by substituting the value of P and P bar in the expression that are given in the outputs. So the first one is the addition. First we will concentrate on the addition, that is 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is also 1. So hence we can say P plus P bar is tautology expression. So if a variable is added with its complement, if a variable is added with its complement, the resultant of the expression will be always true. So you can give an example of this expression for the tautology: P plus P bar or X plus X bar, or whatever variable you want to take, you can take it and give the resultant as like this. Now anything multiplied by its complement, a variable when it is multiplied by its complement, will produce 0 because any one of the combination will be 0. So let us take the input values that we have and we will check out what will be the output. So 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. So that is implementing multiplication. 1 multiplied by 0 is also 0. So hence the resultant of this P into P bar is always 0. Hence the expression is called as fallacy expression. So it was asked for 2 marks, what is tautology and fallacy. If it is asked like what is tautology, give an example, you can give the example of the possible inputs and output. Now if it is asked for fallacy for 2 marks and example, possible combination and possible outputs you can give. So this is how the tautology and fallacy will be taken. So hence we can say P plus P bar is tautology and P into P bar is fallacy. So now we will be evaluating the Boolean expressions by using the truth table. So when the truth table appears, you need to see how many possible variables are there. The variable can be present in its original form, that is non-complemented or uncomplemented format, or it can be even present in the complemented format. So here we will be considering if there are 2 variables x and y. X can be present in 2 possible ways, that is without complement, that is only the value x. X can be present with a complemented value. Both the variables are considered as same. Both x and x bar are considered to be the value of x only. You cannot consider these 2 variables are different variables. They are same because they are under the same name. So the next, when you take up y can also be represented in 2 formats, that is uncomplemented format, and the next one is the complemented format, that is y bar. So the possible combination for this 2 is only y. So now when you see the expression and when you need to prove this, you need to divide the portion, if there is equals to, into 2 parts. One is called as the LHS part, the another is called as the RHS part. RHS part will be the right hand side value, what you have learned already in the mathematics. Let us explore how many variables we have seen in the LHS part and the RHS part. So in the LHS part we have x and y are the 2 variables. So it will be 2 to the power 2, 4 combinations can be available. 2 zeros and 2 ones will have in the x and in the y. 0, 1 and 0, 1 combination that can be available. So these combinations I have explained you in the last class how to take the combinations. Now when you see there is x multiplied by y first, multiplication comes first, then the addition will come next. So we will perform the multiplication, that is x multiplied by y. So let us consider the input values and see what are the output values that are present. So 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 only gives us 1. Now the multiplication is been added with the value of x, that means this one and this one will be added together. Now suppose if you consider this as column number 1 and this as column number 2 and this as column number 3. The column number 4 is equal to 1 plus 3 that we have taken. So this will be equals to column number 4. That is our resultant expression that we are going to see in the LHS part. So now let us add both together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1. From the table, truth table, you can see column number 4 is having same values as column number 1. That is 1 is equals to 4, that is our LHS is equating to RHS, that is the expression x plus x into y is equating to x. So we can write in the conclusion C4 is equals to C1. If you have given the column name 1, 2, 3 and this as 4, then by the column C4 will be equating it to 1. So we are satisfying the LHS and RHS value. Now we need to prove this next expression. So pause your video and try it to solve this expression and then let us see whether you get the correct answer or no. So in this expression we again have two variables. The two variables are x and y. They can be present in its simplest form, that is x, or they can be present in their complemented form. So y can be present in its simplest form and it can be even present in its complemented format. So now when you consider this expression consists of more than one operation that are implied. Now you see x is added, then it is complemented. So how do you read it? X plus y whole bar. So when you are reading, what you are pronouncing first? X plus y, then you are pronouncing bar. So that's the way you are going to solve this problem. So that is getting equated or equals to x bar into y bar. So we need the value of x, we need the value of x bar, we need the value of y, we need the value of y bar for our expression. So first x, y, so it is 2 to the power 2 variable, 4 combinations will be available, 2 zeros, 2 ones will have in the x, so 2 zeros and 2 ones in the expression of input combination for x, then 0 1 for y and 0 1 for y, totally 4 combinations. Then we are adding x plus y together. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So that's the resultant output. So now for the output x plus y we are complementing. That means whatever the output we have got in the x plus y, we are complementing the values of these outputs. So it is 0 complemented becomes 1, 1 complemented becomes 0, 1 complemented becomes 0, 1 complemented becomes 0. So that is the output for x plus y whole bar. Now for the RHS part, we require the complemented value of x and the complemented value of y. So we are taking the possible values for the next RHS is x bar and y bar, which is complemented value of these variables. So x has been complemented. In the input you have 2 zeros, complemented you will get 2 ones. Next you have 2 ones, complemented you will get it as 0. Complement is nothing but changing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So in this example 0 has been changed to 1 and 0 has been changed to 1. So 1 has been changed to 0, 1 has been changed to 0. Similarly, we will take it for the y bar. So we have 0, 1, we will write it as 1, 0. Then we will write 1, 0 for the next combination which is present over here. Hope you are following it. Then x bar and y bar are multiplied by using this expression, whatever the expression is there at the right hand side. So we have x bar into y bar. Multiplication, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, then 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So as you know, multiplication, it produces output as 1 if all its inputs are 0. So you can blindly say that if any 0 is available in the input, you can write output as 0. As you can see, in all these possible combination you have 1 zeros present in the combination. So when you see this, you need to get the answer, that is the column which is present over here should be equal to the column which is present over here. That's the part we have seen in the expression. So you can see 1 0 0 here also 1 0 0. So both the values are matching. Okay. So that is, if you consider this as 1, this as column number 2, this as column number 3, this as column number 4, and this as column number 5, column number 6 and column number 7. You can say that column number 4 is equal to column number 7 by the help of the truth table. So this is how you will solve the expressions by using the truth table format. Now let us take another example. What we have in this example, we are not having any right hand side part or left hand side part. The expression is given and we need to solve the expression. So the expression can be solved by using the following possible combinations that we can have for this expression is x and y. So x can be present in its complemented format, y can also be present in its complemented format. So you can see complemented format of x, complemented format of y, complemented format of x, non-complemented format of y. So in the possible inputs we have only two, that is x and y. It can be present in its complemented format or uncomplemented format. So we have 2 to the power 2, that is 4 combinations. Because we have 4 combinations, first we'll take x and y that are to be the possible values. So 2 zeros, 2 ones, 0 1, 0 1 in the combination. So these combinations you know from the truth table combination how we will write it. So x and y will get the combination because x and y both are present in the complemented format. So we'll first complement the values of x and y. So reverse it. 00 will become 11, 11 will become 00, which are the values of complemented of x. Complemented of y will become 10 instead of these values, 10 instead of these values. Next we have multiplication of x complement y, that is x bar multiplied by y bar. So multiply these two terms, that is the respective values should be multiplied. Then we will be having 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. So this finishes the first part, that is multiplication. Before adding this, we need to multiply another term. As I told you, multiplication will come first, then addition. So in this expression, entire expression, there are 2 times or 2 different portions that we are multiplying first, and then we are adding the multiplied value of both these things. Now it is x bar multiplied by y. That is, the value over here is been multiplied by the value which is over here. So now let us take 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. That's a possible result. Now these two values, if you consider this as column number 5 and column number 6, column number 5 and column number 6 are added together, that makes the column number 7. So let us add it together. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. So that's the value for the resultant. So there is no LHS and RHS part. So only the conclusion is the answer will be 1100, which you can say it is an inverted value of x. So now the example number 4 we will have is, we need to prove whether the expression what is given is implementing tautology. We need to verify it. So the expression that is given is p plus p into q whole bar. So first p into q will be done, then complement of the variable will be done, then it will be added to p. Let us take the solution. So how many possible variables we have in the expression? We have p and q. P can be present in its complemented format or uncomplemented format, even same for the q. So there are 2 variables. Again in the combination we will take 2 to the power 2, that is 4 combination, 2 zeros, 2 ones in the p, 0 1 and 0 1 for the q. So p and q first they should be multiplied. As you can see, how did I read the expression? I read the expression P into Q whole bar. First when I was reading P into Q was been read, so we will perform P into Q first, then we will perform P into Q whole bar. So that is inverted value of P multiplied by Q. So let us multiply 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now inverted values of this P into Q will be taken in the next column, this column. 0 inverted will become 1, 0 inverted will become 1, 0 complemented or inverted becomes 1, 1 complemented becomes 0. That is a complementation, how we will do it. Now this expression is been added with the value of P, that is P into Q whole bar is added with P to get the final result. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is also 1. Because we are getting all the combinations for the output of P plus P into Q whole bar, so hence the expression is verifying tautology. So we can say by the truth table the following expression is a tautology expression. Now do it in home, try to solve these examples in your notes, and if you have any doubt feel free to ask me. If you get any queries regarding any slides what I am explaining, you can call me and ask me.